We're clearing up confusion about a U.S. Supreme Court order that affects how federal agents decide who to stop or who to detain. The ruling allows agents to consider factors like race, language, and accent, but can stop and question someone solely based on race. Can they do that? That's the question. Renee Cooper spoke with a legal expert about what the law actually allows.
The short answer from immigration attorney Gloria Contreras-Eden is no. Regardless, she says the vast majority of her cases right now are people who say they were stopped by ICE agents solely based on the color of their skin. And local law enforcement leaders back that up.
I am seeing and hearing about people in Hennepin County stopped, questioned, and harassed solely because of the color of their skin, solely being the operative word here. This is not okay now, and it's never been okay.
It is unconstitutional, and I would argue that it is illegal.
Even with this shadow docket decision from the Supreme Court that says agents can use factors like race or including race, you're saying race alone is not enough?
No, the standard is that you can't stop someone, even briefly, based on race alone. Again, that is not what we're saying, and the sheriff's point is correct.
We asked federal officials to respond on Tuesday to concerns from about a dozen local police agencies, citing endless complaints from U.S. citizens, including officers, stopped by ICE with no cause. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security on Wednesday only replying with, quote, DHS is able to find no record of ICE or Border Patrol stopping and questioning a police officer. Without a name, we cannot verify these claims. We will continue to look into these claims. As I told federal officials, police chiefs say they were all off duty and not required to identify themselves as police.
Every one of these individuals is a person of color who has had this happen to them.
We've had over 100 phone calls in this month alone. And because it's happening with so many individuals, it's really difficult to track and create accountability. And of course, the courts bear the burden of creating some of that.
Now, that Supreme Court decision was issued in response to an ongoing federal court case in California. Contreras-Eden says it is temporary, but it'll remain in effect until there's a final ruling in that case. Now, if you suspect you were stopped by federal agents without cause, you can report it to the Minnesota Attorney General's office. I've got that information over on KSTP.com. In Fort Snelling, Renee Cooper, 5 Eyewitness News.